Hare Krishna. So today we shall be discussing text 25 from the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Om Jnanathmirandasya Jnananjanachalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Vancha Kalpa Tarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. So the text 25 is Bhishma Drona Pramukhata Sarvesham cha Mahishitam Vacha Partha Pashyaitan Samavetan Kuruniti. Translation. In the presence of Bhishma, Drona, and all the other chieftains of the world, the Lord said, "Just behold, Partha, all the Kurus assembled here." So here we see in this verse is actually a turning point in Bhagavad Gita. When Arjun requested Krishna to bring his chariot in between the two armies because he wanted to see who had come to fight with him. It's not that Arjun did not know who had come to fight. Before the battlefield, it was already known to Arjun who all are the kings who have taken the side of Duryodhana. And he knew all of them. He may not have known all the soldiers in both the armies, but he knew the chief kings who were on the side of Duryodhana and the chief kings who had taken the side of Yudhishthira Maharaj. And yet, when he expressed the desire, "I want to see," Krishna could understand the mind of Arjun. And therefore, Krishna wanted to create a situation, because Arjun, when he expressed the desire that he wants to see who had come, it was indicating the weakness of his heart. Just like, when you are in a precarious situation, you want to delay. You don't want to have that critical situation come upon you. So Arjun is similarly trying to kind of delay the situation. "Oh Krishna, I want to see who are the people who have come to fight with me." So Krishna could understand the heart of Arjun. Also, for this reason, Krishna brought the chariot Bhishma Drona Pramukhata. Primarily, the two names are mentioned. Krishna is purposefully bringing chariot in front of Bhishma, Drona, and other kings. The battlefield was huge, and the army was spread for a long distance. Krishna could have taken the chariot anywhere in between the two armies. But Krishna purposefully brought the chariot right in front of Bhishma and Drona. And then he says, "Partha Pashyaitan Kuruniti Samavetan Kuruniti." My dear Arjun, see, no enemies have come here. All Kurus, your family has come to fight. Bhishma has come to fight with you. Drona has come to fight with you. Your relatives, all your family members have come to fight with you. So, in this way, Krishna, knowing the weakness of Arjun's heart, is purposefully bringing the chariot in front of him to aggravate the weakness in Arjun's heart. Why? Because Krishna, being the Supreme Lord, is making arrangement for Bhagavad Gita to be spoken. Arjun is the Nityasiddha associate of the Lord. He cannot be bewildered by the material nature. Material energy has no power over Arjun. So Krishna is personally creating the situation where Arjun is getting bewildered, so that Krishna can speak Bhagavad Gita for the benefit of humanity. So this particular verse is actually indicating Krishna is making an arrangement to create bewilderment in the heart of Arjun so that he can speak Bhagavad Gita. So this is the sum and substance of this particular verse. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.